Alright guys, so here we have the iRobot Roomba 560. This is a complete set. It comes with the docking station, a wall charger, power supply, 2 virtual walls, 3 extra side brushes, they're brand new, along with brand new filters, and a cleaning tool for Bristol. The 560 Roomba is in good condition. It has some scratches on the surface right here, but they're from regular wear and not deep scratches, just light scratches around from getting under furniture, and otherwise it's in good condition. Over here we have a new brush, side brush. The bristle and beater here, they are used but very clean. The dustbin, it does have a used filter inside, but it's also very clean. You have 3 spare filters that are brand new. It's a 560 model, I'm not sure if you could see that, but it ends with 05. I have another video with a demo of it working, so you could check that out if you haven't already. Otherwise, it has a brand new battery included. It works for over an hour. Very nice robot, great condition. All these accessories included. Shipping next day. After this video, it will be packed away in a box ready to ship. So good luck, and I hope you enjoy.